Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you how you can whiten your teeth. How you can whiten this your teeth here. So you can see from here, this is how yellow these teeth are. So we converted it to this particular one. Look at how nice it's looking. So please, if this is your first time on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and let's encourage us to make more videos like this. So thank you, and so let's start. First, let's copy the image. Let me pick the image from my download folder. It's under my download folder here. Yes, this is it. So from here, you drag into your Photoshop. You drag into your Photoshop like this. No, it didn't drag due to, yes. And let's close this one instead. Let's see how it's going to open. It's giving some headache. Yes. So now you are into Photoshop. This is how you can drag it in. So just bring it closer like this. This is how I want, so that you can see very well. So now you can use the select option. Look at, you can use the select, or for easy way, if you don't want to use this particular one, you can, let's deselect. You can use the normal one, the lasso tool. This lasso tool, you just move around the teeth area like this. Move around the teeth area like this. You press shift. If it doesn't select properly, you can press shift. Or from here, now you come to your adjustment layer. If your own doesn't have this adjustment layer, you can come to Windows here and look at, you can click on adjustment. You will have that layer will now pop up. So but if you don't have it, you can do this. So now come to your hue and then saturation. Under this hue and saturation, it has selected that point. Look at, you can see that it has created a marks here. It has selected that point where you can actually, that is this area, this white area here is where you selected that white. So now come up here. Since this color is yellow, select yellow from this section. So on this yellow, now reduce the saturation, which this is it. Now drag it down. You see that it has minus the yellow part from there. So from that yellow part, now the lightness, this lightness, you can now drag it in. You see that it's giving it that vibe already. Look at how light it's becoming. So if it's not white up to your taste, you can now toggle around with this. You see how you toggle around, but not too much. Be careful so that you don't go that much. So this is just a simple way you can whiten teeth in any of your images. So please, thank you, and I hope to see you in our next tutorial. And if you don't understand anything here, just let me know in the comment section. I can also reply. I'm open to more communications as well. Thank you, and I hope to see you in our next class.